Hi there and welcome to another lecture, and in this lecture we have a method number 2 for getting 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. Now this strategy is going to be way different from the first one because with this one you will be able to get 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time with the help of our second private Facebook group. So this is not a first Facebook group, this is not a Facebook group that I showed you in the first video, this is the second group that I made mainly for this strategy. So you will be able to join this group by clicking on the link that's above this video. It's probably going to be above, maybe even below, but I think it's going to be above me. So click on that link, that will take you over to this page, and it will ask you to enter the email address and the ID that you got once you purchase this course. So enter the same details that you entered to join our main Facebook group, and I will approve you as soon as I see your request. Now inside of this Facebook group, what you need to do is, first off, you will create 1 hour long video. So 1 hour real life footage, 1 hour film, like take your phone and then film something for 1 hour. It's gonna be better to film yourself, but if you're camera shy, you can just film something around you, what's happening around you. Make a natural video, like do a house tour, or just go for a walk and then film your town, film your city. You know, go for a ride a bike, and then film something on your phone for 1 hour. I know it's gonna take a little bit of time and effort, but it's gonna pay off, trust me. So, and why you need to film something in real life rather than taking some other videos is, if you even take like a non-copyright video from YouTube, you know, Creative Commons video, YouTube will not approve you for monetization. So you need to film something by yourself. You need a real life footage, either of yourself or either something that's happening around you. And you don't have to edit it. It doesn't have to be professional at all. It can be like, it can look like the 3-year-old kid made it, but as long as it's real life footage, it's gonna pass the review. So you need to make 1 hour long video. Once you do have 1 hour long video, upload that to your YouTube channel that you want to get monetized. And what you want to do is just come over to this Facebook group. You will create a post, you will paste your YouTube video URL right here, and you will post that, and all other members will come to your video, will play your video from 10 different channels. They will watch all the way to the end, so they will watch your 1 hour long video to the end from 10 different channels, 10 times, and then that way you will make 10 hours of watch time from each of the members of this group. And they will also subscribe to you with 10 different channels, so you will also get 10 subscribers from each of them. So for each member of this group, you will be getting 10 subscribers and 10 hours of watch time, and you need only 4000 hours of watch time. So you will just need 400 members to get 4000 hours of watch time and 4000 subscribers as well. And you need only 1000, but okay, you will be able to get some extra subscribers as well. Now, when you see that someone else has posted a link of their hour-long video inside of this group, you will need to play that video from 10 different accounts and subscribe to them with 10 different accounts. So do the same thing, you know, it's like subscribe for subscribe, watch time for watch time. So that way we are helping each other grow fast and build our channels fast. Now here's a little hack for you. So when someone has posted a video right here, by the way, you don't have to watch that, you don't have to really watch that video. You can just play through, you can do something else, you can go to Facebook, do it whatever you want to, just let it play through for 1 hour. But rather than you just playing 1 hour long video and then play it once again and once again for 10 times, what you can do to save your time, you can, for example, this is an hour long video. You will open link in a new tab, open link in a new tab, and just open like 5 different tabs and play that video for 5 times. And that way, it's like you're getting them 5 hours of watch time in like 1 hour, because it's playing in 5 different cards, in 5 different tabs. Let me just do that. So depending on your depending on your PC, how strong is it, and depending on your internet connection, you can probably play even more than this, or maybe even less than this, depending on your PC. But that way you can save a lot of time and a lot of energy, because you can play just 2 times, you can play in 5 different tabs, you can play it for 1 hour, and that way get them 10 hours of watch time in just 2 hours. And then you need to create 10 different channels. I showed you how to create unlimited channels, so you will create 10 different channels and then subscribe to them, and that way you're giving them 10 subscribers and you're giving them 10 hours of watch time in 2 hours. So definitely just join this group by clicking on the link above this video, enter the details, and I will approve you as soon as I see. And please respect the rules of this group. So those are the main rules. You will just have to watch their videos, they will watch your videos. You will have to subscribe from 10 different channels and they will subscribe to you from 10 different channels. And now, you know, this group doesn't have a potential now to get you, probably doesn't have a potential to get you 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, because we currently have only 11 members, but we're still growing, and we're growing pretty fast. So I'm sure in like a month or two, you will be able to get pure 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time just from the help of this private Facebook group. So definitely be sure to join that, and we will keep growing so we can get as many channels monetized as possible. And now let's jump into the next lecture so I can show you the third method to getting your channel monetized.